Guys, I don't know about you, I need to reel in what I'm doing with my manicures and pedicures to save some dollar bills, and I've decided I'm going to do far much more at home to get my nails in a good state, and that is doing my own gels. I've got the lamp, I've got the polish, but now I needed some of this stuff. This is absolutely awesome. All you do, you'd get a nice bowl, like a metal bowl, ceramic bowl, ideally one with a little spout so you can pour things out of it. You put your fingers in there, put it up. We might see that much in there, just so you can dip your fingernails in it comfortably. Sit there for 10 minutes, 15 minutes, watch a bit of YouTube, and then once you, after that, you can just scrape off gently any nail polish that's been remaining. This one's really great for gels. So if you do your own gels, you know, with a lamp, this stuff will get it off. And I'll be honest, I just put it back into the bottle once I've used it, unless there's any bits at the bottom of it. They're usually all dissolved, and just keep going, because why not? Don't want to waste it. So yeah, I really do recommend it if you're a nail person, you want to start doing your own nail teching. This is a really great product. I've been using it for quite some time. And yeah, it's awesome. I recommend it.